Now our topic is dispersion of white light by a glass prism. So it starts from if we are having one glass prism which is equilateral prism. So whenever on this glass prism white light strike the surface of that glass prism, what happens? After getting reflection from here, it will split in a 7 different colors of light. So we are getting white light, so means this is white light. We are getting 7 different colors of light. So it starts from red, so Vibgyor, right? So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So this splitting from white light, splitting of 7 different colors of light is known as dispersion. So this is dispersion because of glass prism. So that is due to glass prism. There is one more example. Whenever you just buy one scale which is transparent, and when you see through our fluorescent light, you can see this splitting of 7 different colors of light. Because of their mixture of different colors of light, you can't see all the colors properly, but how somehow you can see different colors like yellow and violet. Similarly, in earlier days, we are having CDs and DVDs. So because of that white light incident, you can see different colors of light on that CD or DVDs. So that is the dispersion phenomenon. Second, if we are having one prism which is upright and another prism, I put it is inverted, right? So white light just strikes on the surface of the first prism. So this is our white light. So from here it will split it out, right? But because of all the refractions here, that 7 different splitting of white light, different colors, now we will get that white light again. So earlier we are having white light. Because of this prism, dispersion takes place, and because of another prism which is inverted, again we will get white light as a result. So this is the two-term phenomena. Here we are getting 2 times dispersion. So at last we are having same light, which is earlier we are striking on the surface of the glass prism, right? So this is second example. Now third example is of rainbow. Many times in monsoon season we can see rainbow. Why we can see rainbow? Because of that water molecules. Water molecules are transparent. So whenever our sun rays is nothing but one type of white light. We can see sunlight as a orange, but actually it is white light. So question is how we can see that orange color. So because of that wavelength, only that wavelength occur here. So that's why we can see only orange light, but it is actually white light. So white light enters from water molecule, then it will be splitted in 7 different colors. So here 7 different colors are splitting. So here we are getting red and last violet. So after getting total internal reflection from here and violet light here, right? So we are getting after red and then violet color. So that's why red, violet, indigo, blue, then all the colors, that is because of this dispersion process because of water molecule when monsoon season. So monsoon season having more humidity level means atmosphere having more water molecules, and because of that whenever white light, whenever sun rays are emits on this so much water molecules, they will get dispersion, and because of dispersion we are getting 7 splitting of different colors of light. So that is called dispersion of white light by a glass prism and water molecules.